Unfortunately, the Rice-mobile fell. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. Well, one of them working is beautiful. Lincoln MKS. Well, what's supposed to be the Mule number 2? Thankfully, it's not. But alive as well. Now, today we're going to talk about a question that I'm getting asked in the DMs.
It goes down in the DM. It go down.
So I promise I'm going to do a video about it. So here it is. This is for you guys that have been asking. And the question is, where are my cars? Where is the Rice-mobile? Where is the Batmobile? Where is the Lincoln MKT? What is the Mule? All these questions are going to answer here for you today. First and foremost, my name is Luis, aka Kuma Matata, for my gaming people. But if you come here because of my rideshare videos, welcome. I no longer do rideshare, but welcome to my channel. And if you're here because of my Vader G35 content, then welcome. There's a lot more things coming for the channel, so stick around through this weird time that we are all experiencing. Now let's get into this. I got that from Alfred Tatum. So first of all, the original Mule was my Lincoln MKT. And the reason that I called it the Mule was because I was gonna work on it and it was gonna be the bread maker, which makes it the Mule. The Mule in the farmer's world is the one that does a lot of work. I had to return it, long story short, because again, CarMax did a boo-boo and I had to pay for it. And I said, nope, I ain't gonna pay for that. So I had to return the Lincoln MKT back to CarMax. They sold it off and they took their profits and both parties went their own ways. I went my own way, they went their own ways. I really liked that car. It was super comfortable. It was a beautiful car. I would have liked to keep it, but you know, things don't always happen as you plan, right? And sometimes it's for the best, because it was giving me electrical problems. That's the Lincoln MKT. Now let's go to the Mule number 2, which was supposed to be, which is this one, the Lincoln MKS. Now the Lincoln MKS, like I said, it was supposed to be for work, so I could keep doing TLC via rideshare Uber on this car. And yeah, so I'm no longer with TLC. That's why I said earlier in the video that I'm not doing rideshare, but welcome. Now I decided to keep it because I wanted to keep it for the family, you know, as a newer car that has a bunch of safety features. My daily will be the Montero Sport, which is my next topic, the Montero Sport. Now, for those of you OGers out there, you guys know that my favorite SUV of all time is the Mitsubishi Montero Sport. They have a lot of names. They call it Nativa, they call it Challenger, they call it Pajero. Here in the United States, they call it the Montero Sport. And in some places, they also call it the Shogun. All the same vehicle. And then the option changes depending on the country that you're in, like turbo diesel and stuff like that. I don't know about turbo, but just diesel. Anyway, that car right now is in Connecticut. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys seen it a couple of times because I take pictures when I go over there. I took the place off because of the pandemic and I wanted to save money. Let's go to the elephant in the room, the G35, the Vader, the Batmobile, the Rice-mobile. Unfortunately, the Rice-mobile fell into the same category as the Montero Sport, in the same manner that I wanted to save money, and I had a lot of mods planned for that car, and it was going to take a long time to do it because I was going to do it in my old parking lot, which I don't have anymore down there. However, the pandemic hit soon after I took off the plates, and we all know that everything was paralyzed. So I couldn't do anything with the car because I couldn't risk me going down to the basement and working on my car and getting sick and then spreading it to my kids. I have 2 babies and a wife, so I just couldn't risk it. So I had to take it out of my garage down there and I put it in the storage unit. That's why in my Instagram, I photographed it with other cars and stuff like that because it's in a storage waiting for me to take it out once again when everything normalizes in New York City, which I live in right now, unfortunately and fortunately. So these are a little update for where are all my cars. I still have all 3 cars. Well, I used to have 4 at one time because I had the Lincoln and the MKS. But now I have only 3, and I know people are gonna say, well, you have 3 cars and you want to save money. Like, why don't you sell 2 of them and save 1? The Infinity is gonna be the Vader, which is gonna leave pretty soon. The Montero Sport is gonna be my daily, and this car is gonna be my wife's daily or the family car, because I'm gonna be working and she's gonna have to take the kids to school and stuff like that, so she needs her own car and I need my own car. So that's why I have 3 cars. There you go, pretty simple. But who knows, I might even return this one. Who knows? You know, if they close down New York City again, I'm gonna have to return this one maybe. Only God knows, but I have to do what's best for my family. This is a little update as to where are all my cars and where have they been, where are they now. So if I answer all your questions, please give me a like on this video. And if you need, please consider subscribing. Until next time, guys, God bless, stay blessed, stay positive.